Maheshwari and you are watching Rhythm. When the foundation is strong, the structure stands tall. When the vision is clear, the path is certain. When the leadership is determined, progress is unstoppable. The Union Budget 2025 to 2026 presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is a testament to India's unwavering commitment to economic resilience, inclusive development and national progress. With a focus on fiscal discipline, tax relief for the middle class and major investments in infrastructure, agriculture and technology, this budget lays down a roadmap for a prosperous and self-reliant India. One of the most crucial aspects of this budget is fiscal management. The fiscal deficit for fiscal year 2025 is projected at 4.8% of GDP, while it is expected to decrease further to 4.4% in fiscal year 26. This disciplined approach ensures that while the government continues to invest in key sectors, it remains financially responsible. Last year's fiscal deficit was estimated at 5.9%, demonstrating a steady decline and a sign of India's strengthening economy. For salaried individuals, the government has provided significant tax relief. Income up to Rs 12 lakh will now be tax-free, ensuring that more disposable income remains in the hands of the people. The new tax slabs introduce a 5% tax rate for incomes between Rs 4 to 8 lakh, while those earning above Rs 25 lakh will continue to be taxed at 30%. This move directly benefits the middle-class workforce, empowering them with increased purchasing power and financial security. India's agrarian economy will see a transformation with the PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, covering 100 districts and benefiting 1.7 crore farmers. Additionally, a 6-year self-reliance mission for pulses will ensure that India reduces its dependency on imports. The government is also setting up a Makhana board in Bihar, strengthening regional agricultural growth. Furthermore, Kisan credit card loan limits have been increased from Rs 3 lakh to Rs 5 lakh, making credit more accessible to farmers. Several key commodities have seen price changes. Electronics like mobile phones and semiconductors will become more affordable due to reduced import duties, supporting India's Make in India initiative. Carrier-grade Ethernet switches and open cells will also see a reduction in cost. However, luxury goods, high-end imported cars and certain tobacco products will now be more expensive due to increased custom duties. This strategic pricing ensures that essential goods remain within reach while discouraging non-essential imports. Micro, small and medium enterprises are the backbone of India's economy. The government has now increased credit cover for micro and small enterprises from Rs 5 crore to Rs 10 crore, and for startups, this has been raised to Rs 10 crore. Additionally, well-run exporting MSMEs will be eligible for term loans of Rs 20 crore, ensuring that Indian businesses have access to financial support for growth. Education and skilling remain a top priority in Budget 2025 to 2026. The government plans to set up 50,000 Atal Tinkering Labs in schools to foster innovation and scientific temper. Broadband connectivity will be provided to all government secondary schools. Moreover, 100% medical UG and PG seats have been increased, with 10,000 additional seats to be added next year. The establishment of 5 national centers of excellence for skilling ensures that the youth are prepared for the global job market. Infrastructure development has received a major push with the Udan scheme, connecting 120 new destinations across the country, benefiting 4 crore additional passengers over the next decade. The government will also develop the top 50 tourist destinations, ensuring increased employment opportunities in the hospitality and travel sectors. The Bharat Trade Net will serve as a unified platform for trade documentation and financing solutions, strengthening India's global trade presence. A futuristic move, the government has announced a Rs 20,000 crore outlay for the nuclear energy mission, aiming to develop 5 small modular reactors by 2033. Private sector participation will be encouraged through amendments in the Atomic Energy Act. This initiative ensures energy security while advancing India's leadership in sustainable power generation. The Budget 2025-2026 focuses on making India a developed nation by 2047 as part of the Viksit Bharat vision. The government has outlined a zero poverty mission, expansion of high quality education, and comprehensive healthcare facilities. Additionally, the Maritime Development Fund of Rs 25,000 crore will boost India's shipping and logistics industry. The impact of this budget is profound. With an emphasis on income tax relief, credit support for business, investments in education and infrastructure expansion, India is poised for accelerated growth. The GDP is projected to grow at 6.3 to 6.8% in 2025 to 2026, marking continued economic strength. Increased capital expenditure of Rs 10.18 lakh crore will boost employment and industrial output, ensuring stability in the financial markets. The Indian government has once again delivered a pro-people, pro-growth and pro-development budget. As India strides confidently towards becoming a global economic powerhouse, this budget cements the nation's path towards a self-reliant and prosperous future. With its clear vision and decisive action, the budget 2025 to 2026 is truly a game changer for India's economic trajectory. Jai Hind.